Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Welcome, my name is Aiden. I'm so happy that you're here. Today I have my Ipsy and my Macy's. I was waiting forever for my Ipsy to arrive. It actually looks like a lot of people were waiting for their Ipsy because even the people that are on Ipsy's PR list just barely got and have been posting Ipsy videos. So they must have been slow this month. I don't really know. I did get my Macy's. I don't have the box or it nicely wrapped because my box came trashed and taped back together, and I was really nervous that some things were missing. So I do have it. It's in a little tiny bag altogether. I did have everything, thank goodness. But before I start, don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and let me know if you got Ipsy or Macy and what your thoughts were on them and what you got, if you got something different from me. I'm going to start with something I ordered from Ipsy, from their I don't know, drop shop or whatever. They keep changing things and I have not paid enough attention to, I honestly don't care. So that's why. So I picked up this. This is from Skylar. This is Indigo Valley. It is blueberry mocha, water lotus, not locust, and cedarwood. No, clearwood. What is clearwood? I've heard of cedarwood. I haven't heard of clearwood. I don't like that Skylar does rollerballs. Get with the 21st century, Skylar. You can give us a spray. Makes life so much easier. But let's try to, we'll just put it on the back here. These were $12 a piece. That's why I ended up ordering two, because I thought if I don't like it, I can send it to somebody or give it to somebody. I'm not sure if I like this one. It's supposed to layer as well with Vanilla Sky and Isle Escape. I don't know. I can't tell if I like it or not. I'm going to have to wear it on skin. I think it's probably more of a spring fall. It might be a little hot to wear nowadays. I don't want it. I didn't put it on because I'm a cherry bomb today. So I layered Firecracker Pop with Prada Candy Gloss, and it's a lot. So this definitely would not mix well with it. But for $12, I thought, you know, I'm going to do it. And you have $1.99 handling fee no matter how many items you get. So I might as well get two. On to the Ipsy bag. This is what it looks like this month. It is very cute. I do like it. Oh, it has a little pink tag there. I did have two add-ons from the add-ons. One is another Skylar. This is Vanilla Sky. I do really like Vanilla Sky. It lasts nanoseconds on me. It is probably the least, has such poor longevity, but I do really like the scent. And I've had some spray, you know, the trial sizes. That's what I was trying to think of. If they can do those as sprays, why can't they do these as sprays? Really, come on, Skylar. Anyway, I really do like this, so I definitely will wear this. I do have a scent bird with this, and if I can refill that container, I'm not sure. I think it's probably one of the new scent birds. Not as easy. I don't think you can refill those, but I know the old scent birds, if I remember right, you could. I haven't tried it, but I would rather have this as a spray. So at some point I will figure out how to decant this so that I will actually wear it, because I won't wear it as a rollerball. That one was $12, and I think this was also $12. This is Glow Recipe. This is the Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. I love this stuff, so of course I had to get another bottle of it because I am almost out. You are going to see it in my May empties. I'm looking at it. I've been storing it like this because it's so close to the bottom, and I just want to get every little bit out. I love this. I keep this on my desk at work, and as I'm reading, and you know, you get kind of fatigued from answering emails and everything, I like to spray my face every couple hours with it. So yes, very excited to have that. So those were nice add-ons. Let's finally get into the bag. They did not send a card this month, so I have no idea of the prices. I could look them up, but I don't think you probably care. I know I don't care enough to look them up. But I do like the cards. I know other people don't really like the cards, but I like seeing and having that information. It's just, I like to have as much information as possible, so I like it. First up is the Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Cleansing Balm. I do like Elemis. It has some nice stuff. I've had the Elemis Cleansing Balm in the past, I think, and it was nice. This is quite rosy. Not my favorite scent, but I will definitely use that. Then we have from Ciate London, this is the Velvet Skin Cream Blush. I've heard terrible things from this. I think it was Lauren May Beauty got these and talked about how awful they were. I don't do a lot of cream blushes. I dabble in the Rare Beauty ones, but that's about it. So I am going to be passing this along. This looks like a very pretty color though. I will say that. I think that is a pretty color, but I'm not going to open it because I don't foresee myself wearing it. This I had to clean up because it was in bubble wrap and I was double checking everything as I always do with Ipsy, and this was kind of leaking out, but not, it doesn't look like it's leaked out, but there was kind of an oil all around it. So this is a serum from Korres. I think this is what I chose actually. This is the Santorini Grape Velvet Skin Drink, and apply to the face and neck, avoiding the eye area. That's all it says. It says it's an elixir. So I will be using this as soon as possible just to get it out so that I don't have to worry about it leaking anymore. This is from Aceology. This is the brightening treatment mask. I have so many masks. I'm kind of over getting masks all the time because I'm terrible about masking. I need to get better at it, but yeah, it's fine. I will definitely get around to using it eventually. And then we have a lip liner from Paranova. The last one was not a color. It was too light for my lips, and it was a little too concealer lips for me, so I did put that in my pass along pile. So this shade is Asteroid. Looks kind of brown. I'm not going to swatch this. I am going to just pass it along the way it is because I don't do brown lips. I do not like how they look on me. They're not my thing. I did return my Give in flannel, my liquid lipstick, because I thought it was going to be a little bit more pink and it was brownie, and I debated. I got it in one day before the 30 days were up because this past month has been absolutely insane and just not getting anything done. Obviously with all of my YouTube not being consistent either. So I'm going to pass this along because it is not a color that I think I will use. And I couldn't tell in the photo on Ipsy when I left feedback, but overall not too bad. I like the cleansing balm. I will definitely use that. I will use, actually, why am I saying not too bad? There's two items that I'm definitely going to be passing along. I think I'm more excited because I got some good add-ons. So mediocre box, bag, mediocre. Macy's seemed to mix it up this month. I didn't get a normal card, and I don't think that it's because it was missing. I think it's because they did this. So they sent us like a bookmark, and the coupon is on the back of this. So yes, I have the coupon code on the back here instead, and it has a QR code to learn about all of the items. It is a $5 off of 20 purchase, and then they have this card that you saw in the thumbnail, and it says like when to use things. AM, use the brightening serum, then use Good Genes, then use autocorrect in the eye area, and then use the Afterglow as a moisturizer. I'm sorry, I would not layer vitamin C with lactic acid. Whew, that seems like a lot. And then in the evening, it says to do the retinoid with the Good Genes on top of that. Again, wouldn't layer those two together. Then do the autocorrect, which is the eye cream, and then the Afterglow, which is vitamin C. That seems like that seems like a lot. Anyway, that basically told you everything that we got, right? So CEO, this is an okay vitamin C serum. It is not my favorite vitamin C serum, but I do think it is a nice one, and I will use it. I do like Good Genes. That is my favorite serum of all time. This is a mainstay in my collection. Their retinoid, it's okay. It's not my favorite. It's not one that I would definitely like. I wouldn't go out and purchase that one. Good Genes is the only one of these that I would purchase, and these are all 5 mils or 0.17 ounces. The eye cream is 3 mils, so even smaller. So that's what those all look like. Then we got this weird thing, which is this little metal tool. And it actually feels like metal because it is quite heavy. It doesn't tell you how to use it. It almost looked like it was going to. Anyway, it says Sunday Riley on it. I guess you could, I don't know. It's probably something that I'm just going to have sitting around, not being put into use, just to be honest. And then there is the CEO Afterglow, which is a gel version of their moisturizer. And I really liked the moisturizer, so I hope that I like this one. I have not been liking gels as much lately. I just feel like my skin needs a little bit more than a gel moisturizer nowadays. Don't know why. Probably because I'm getting old. But not too bad. I definitely will use all of this. I love Sunday Riley. So, you know, getting a box of Sunday Riley is great. I kind of miss the perfume sample. I'm not going to lie. I'm sad that, so we have our 5 samples and the tool instead of the bag. I just stuck them in this replica bag that I have from Maison Margiela because I needed something to put these in when the box was absolutely destroyed. So yeah, just, I don't know, it feels like less than normal, and I know it's just the perfume samples, so it's really not that much, but just, it's exciting, but it's not exciting at the same time, if that makes sense. Does that make sense? Maybe part of my lack of excitement is that everything was so skincare heavy. Cleansing balm, mask, whatever this is from Korres, and then everything from Sunday Riley. The 2 makeup items in my Ipsy are definitely not things I'm going to use. So it's not as exciting as getting something makeup-y or color. I'm excited about the perfumes because they're perfumes, but I bought those separately, so I can't really judge based on that. Anyway, let me know how you are doing. Let me know what your thoughts are on these 2 subscriptions. If you think they were good, if you think they were bad. I don't think they were bad. I don't think they were bad. I wish they were a little more exciting, like having a perfume in Macy's or having just different colors in Ipsy would have just been really nice. But we'll see. We'll see what happens next month in June. I'm very excited to start getting June items. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I can't wait to talk to you next time.